one of the tallest Red Warrior from Manila. We have John Ray Alabanza. From Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, we have Jay Flores. Another pride of Zamboanga, a 3-point shooter. Ilan ang ginawa niya kahapon? Rudy Lingaray. From Rizal, San Mateo Rizal, Pogi ito. Erwin Duran. From Iloilo City. He comes from the same school as James Yap. You will see more of him in the coming. He's the youngest in the group. We have John Sumido. Alam niyo ba ang Bukidnon kung saan? Bukidnon, from Mindanao. Ha? We have Garrick Ayala. Susunod ko introduce si Pare. Kilala na ito yun. Pare Llagas! From the province of Cavite.